Hello everyone, it's Laurel here from prplrel Creations, and I am here to share the new kit with you from Miss Rosie Posie. And I already took it out of the bag, so I'm going to open it and show it to you. Now, this is how mine came. Yours will not come like this. It's just a special gift that Rose sent to me, something for both of us to decorate. And I almost don't want to decorate it because I absolutely love it. It reminds me of the lunch boxes somewhat that we used to take to school when we were younger. Actually, back in my day, we had metal lunch boxes like this. I know they're kind of in style now, but back in the day, that's all you saw were the metal lunch boxes like this. They were a little bit bigger, deeper, but I absolutely love this box. So I'm gonna have to be creative because I really don't want to lose the pattern or anything because I love the colors, but it's gorgeous. And of course it's got purple in it and a purple handle, so I know my kit is inside. So here we go. I'm gonna pull it all out. And this one. Oh, and this. Of course, my purple. So this is the purple. I'm going to guess you guys have a different color, but I have gorgeous purple. A very deep, deep purple, and you're probably seeing a deep blue, but it is the most gorgeous deep purple. Let me find the end so you can see it. And if I hold it down, there you go. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful pattern. That is gorgeous. And again, it smells so wonderful because all of Rosie's stuff smells oh so good. I just shook you all over. I always mean to ask her what she puts in her stuff to make it smell so good, but I just want to sit and smell it because it smells so good. I don't remember if she has any of these left or not. I'm going to have to get with her and find out. But if not, you can always contact her on Facebook, Rose Alcala. You can find her on Facebook, or if you can't find her, you can just leave me a message and I will help you get in touch with Rose. So I know it is like a clutch book that we're going to be making, and it has, I just think this is so cute. It has a front, hold on, a front and a back, and it does have the ring binders. The binder rings. Wow. The binder rings, and then it's got 3 pages. 1, 2, 3 that go in the center. This is actually going to be a really cool project to put together. And then it goes like that. So it's a little clutch purse book, chipboard book, which I just think is so sweet. I absolutely love this. This is going to be so much fun to make. So that's the book part and the binder rings. Let's say it right. Let's put this back in its bag. I don't want to lose any of it. I love the way Rosie packages everything. So nice. I don't know where she gets all these bags that seem to fit everything perfectly. So that's that. And then we're going to open this one. Sorry for the crinkling, but these bags do make a lot of noise. So we're just going to slide it all out. Because there is a lot in this one. Right. Let's start from the bottom and work our way up. So we're going to go this way. So we have this gorgeous, I'm guessing this is a muslin. It looks like a muslin. So you have this piece. And this is probably to put on the outside. Well, and then you have a bunch of pieces here. So these must go on the both sides of the inside pages. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes, these are to cover each side of the inside. So you would glue these down and then cut around them. So those are for the inside pages of the book. And I'm guessing this is probably for the outside. So that's that one. Really nice. It's super soft. I love the frame. And then you also get the felt. So here's your felt. This is probably for the front and the back so that it has a little bit of padding on it. So I know this will cover the front and the back. And then look at this gorgeous fabric with that beautiful embroidery on it. That is gorgeous, and it's got these lines and leaves. That is beautiful. Love that, and I love the way it feels. So you have this one and this one, so this goes on the front, and I'm guessing this is for the front and the back of the book as well. And then you have this one, which you can probably use on the insides or the outsides. There are two pieces of this one, and I love this one. It is super, super soft and gorgeous flowers on there, and it's a beautiful, beautiful color. So you have two of those. And then you have, oh, look at this one. Here, let's take one so you can see the pattern. Then you have this one, which is gorgeous. Look at that. That is, again, super, super soft. And yes, I have to smell everything. I can't help it. Her stuff smells really good. So there are two of those. And that is beautiful. Love that. So let's put those back together. This is really pretty. I don't know where she finds some of these. This is like a lace fabric. I don't know where she finds these, but they're beautiful. And then you have this gorgeous two flowers. Now you can leave these white. You can coffee dye them, tea dye them, avocado dye them, ink them, you know, whatever you would like, or you can leave them white. Those are beautiful. You can leave them together, cut them apart. I like the way she left all that on there. Ooh, and look at this. This is different. Not sure what that is, but it's not crochet. But that is really cool, whatever it is. But that, look at the pattern. It's really pretty. I'm not sure what it is though, but it's like all little knots. That is really pretty. So you get a piece of that. And then you get this beautiful piece of applique with the beads and the sequins on it. That would look beautiful right on the front or on the back, whichever you choose. And then we have this piece of trim. This piece of trim. And this is a stretchy one. And this piece, I love this because you can cut these off, cut it in half, however you want to use this, because you can cut right up the center, or you can cut all those little flowers off. And again, everything just, the smell that's coming out of this package, that is beautiful. Love this one. Look at this one with the stitching along the edge. That is really pretty. Love that. And then this one, this is really pretty. Wow. So you've got the pink with the pink sequins. That is really pretty. And then we have this gorgeous white one. I love this one too. This is so cool. It's such a cool stitch. Or design, whatever you want to call it. It is really pretty. It's really shimmery too. So you have that big piece. Oh, and look at this one. This is really different. I love this one. I always try and study them and see how they did this. But that is, love the tones as it goes down from greens and yellows and oranges to blues and purples and pinks and greens to browns. That is really pretty. Look at that. That is really pretty. Beautiful piece. I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful. And then you get two little hearts. Can't seem at my hand. I always seem backwards when I'm on here. All right, so that's all of those. And what is in here? Oh, this is an image. So I'm guessing you can put this on the front or the back of your little clutch, and that is so sweet. It looks like it's Cupid. It's got, oh yeah, Cupid's message. That is so sweet. And then let's open this bag. These will be our flowers and stuff. Let's get everything out so I can show you. So you have this beautiful bunch of gorgeous pink flowers with the stamens in the center and these leaves. Those are beautiful. So there's 3 of those because things always look better in an odd number, which is so weird because I'm an even number person, but I've learned to do things in odd numbers. And then you have this one, which is really pretty. And then we have some, I love these flatback flowers. So we've got the, hold on, let's see if I can pick all this up. These are like leaves. These are cool. So we've got the 2 flatback flowers, these leaf charms, and then this flower charm, which is really pretty, and then this gorgeous piece of bling right there. Very pretty. Love all of that. As I'm going through this, I'm always thinking of how am I going to make this? You know, what am I going to use where? So let's see if I can get this image. Oh, I don't think it was in there. Okay, and then we have this one. All right. Oh, and we dropped a little thing. So we've got these 2. Uh-oh, button. Oh, landed right on my lap. These 2, these are almost like rolled roses out of trim. That's not the word. Ribbon. So these are ribbon roses. Those are really pretty. They're nice and flat too. And again, you could leave them this color: coffee dime, tea dime, avocado dime. Stain them, whatever you would like to do. Those are beautiful. And then, oh, love this. Look at that gorgeous applique. And it's got a flatback pearl right in the center. And it is very shimmery, and this looks like it's been avocado dyed. It's really pretty, or tea dyed. And, oh, I don't know why I'm putting that stuff over there. It stays right here. And so you get 2 of those. So here's the other one. Oh no, this one's different. This one's like longer. It's a little bit different than the other one. So then you get that one. You get this beautiful butterfly. You guys know how I like to bling these up. And then these 2 beautiful pink flowers with the pearl centers. And this beautiful heart charm. It's on both sides, so you can make a little dangle for your book. 2 different buttons. Those are really pretty. Love the color. And then this little flower, which is really pretty. Look at that. So you get quite a bit of stuff in here to decorate your clutch purse, clutch journal, clutch book. I'm not sure exactly what it's supposed to be called. I know it's a purse clutch chipboard book is what I'm going to call it. And these are all of your gorgeous items that come in it. You get quite a lot to work with. There is plenty here to make this beautiful project and then some. So this is going to be exciting to make. I can't wait to see how everybody's turns out. Make sure you go over and ask Rosie. I'm not sure if she's sold all these. She didn't really say to me. I forget if she sold them all or not. So I will have to find out. I'll try and put in the description box below if I do find out if there are any still available. Like I always say, you know, once we've shown them and people want them, they're always pretty much gone, or the last 1 or 2 get sold very quickly. So make sure you check with Rosie or leave me a message or check back on this video, and or you can just send me a message on Messenger and I will let you know. And we will be making this. I know Rosie will be making this kit shortly, and I'll be working on mine as well. So this is going to be a really beautiful one to make. So I'm looking forward to it. So I hope you guys, I know a lot of you already got yours coming. So I can't wait to see what everybody does with them and how they turn out. I love the way everybody makes something completely different. So thank you all for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. I'm always on Friday nights. Rosie comes on with me. We're always, she's got, you know, kits, and she's doing bundles now, and still her happy bags and stuff. So if you're looking for any of that, please get a hold of me or get a hold of Rose, and she will get you hooked up with some. So this, again, this is the Clutch Chipboard Clutch book, journal book. Again, not quite sure what to call it. I know she called it something, but I know it's a chipboard clutch purse. So thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all soon. Bye for now.